Hello, I'm Parveen Narang, Director of Narang Medical Limited. Today I am filled with immense pride and gratitude as we celebrate our 36th Foundation Day. Since 1989, Narang Medical has been dedicated to manufacturing and supplying the highest quality orthopedic implants, medical equipment, and hospital consumables. Our journey has been driven by a commitment to innovation, excellence, and a passion for improving healthcare. This milestone wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support of our dedicated team, our trusted partners, and our loyal customers. You have all played a crucial role in our success. From our humble beginning, we have grown into a global leader trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. Our products have touched countless lives, bringing better health and well-being to communities around the globe. As we look to the future, we remain committed to pushing the boundaries of medical innovation and continuing to provide solutions that make a real difference. Here's to many more years of progress and success. Thank you for being a part of our journey.